Welcome to SkVm Sudoku. I am going to solve the Hindu newspaper Sudoku puzzle on August 5, 2022, 5-star Sudoku. Third grade. We have 1. So 1 can't come these cells. Then 1 is confirmed here. Fourth row. 2 numbers are remaining 5 and 3. Column H. We already have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell. 5 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Column H, column I, we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells. Then 6 is confirmed here. 9th grade, we have 5 and 9. So 5 and 9 can't come these cells. It will come in one of the 2 cells. 5th row, we already have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell. 9 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Column G, 2 numbers are remaining 3 and 7. 9th row, we already have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell. 3 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Column F, third row, we have pair numbers 9 and 6. So 9 and 6 can't come these cells. It will come in one of the 2 cells. We will confirm later. Second grade, we have 1 and 4. So 1 and 4 can't come these cells. It will come in one of the 2 cells. We will confirm later. Column F, 2 numbers are remaining 5 and 8. Second row, we already have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell. 5 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Second grade, 2 numbers are remaining 2 and 3. It will come in one of the 2 cells. We will confirm later. Third row, column D, we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. Then 3 is confirmed here. Column H, third row, we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. Then 2 is confirmed here. Then third grade, 2 numbers are remaining 4 and 7. It will come in one of the 2 cells. We will confirm later. Second row, 2 numbers are remaining 4 and 7. It will come in one of the 2 cells. We will confirm later. Column F, 2 numbers are remaining 1 and 4. It will come in one of the 2 cells. We will confirm later. Third row, 6th row, 8th row, we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. Then 2 is confirmed here. 8th row and 10th row, we have pair numbers 2 and 5. So 2 and 5 can't come these cells. It will come in one of the 2 cells. We will confirm later. Tenth row, we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells. The 9 is confirmed here. Column E, we have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell. 9 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. 8th grade, 2 numbers are remaining 6 and 7. It will come in one of the 2 cells. Column E, we already have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell. 6 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. 8th row, 2 numbers are remaining 1 and 7. It will come in one of the 2 cells. We will confirm later. Column B, column C, we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells. Then 5 is confirmed here. 5th row and 6th row, column C, we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. Then 2 is confirmed here. Column B and 10th row, we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells. Then 9 is confirmed here. 7th grade, 2 numbers are remaining 6 and 8. It will come in one of the 2 cells. 10th row, we already have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell, 6 is confirmed here, then 8 is here. 10th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 4, it will come in one of the 2 cells, we will confirm later. Column B, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 8. 4th grade, we already have 8, so it can't come in the cell, 8 is confirmed here, then 1 is here. 5th row and 7th row, we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells, then 6 is confirmed here. 4th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 4, it will come in one of the 2 cells. 7th row, we already have 4, so 4 can't come in the cell, 4 is confirmed here, then 3 is here. Column C, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 7, it will come in one of the 2 cells, we will confirm later. 5th row, 3 numbers are remaining, 1, 8, 3. Column G, we have 1 and 8. So 1 and 8 can't come this cell, it will come in one of the 2 cells, we will confirm later. Then only one number is remaining, 3. 3 is confirmed here. Column G, we have 3, so 3 can't come in the cell, 3 is confirmed here, then 2 is here. Column G, we have 2, so 2 can't come in the cell, 2 is confirmed here, then 5 is here. Column G, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 7. 7th row, we already have 4, so 4 can't come in the cell, 4 is confirmed here, then 7 is here. 7th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 5. Column I, we already have 5, so 5 can't come in the cell, 5 is confirmed here, then 1 is here. We have 1, so 1 can't come in the cell, 1 is confirmed here, then 8 is here. Column E, only one number is remaining, 8, 8 is confirmed here. 6th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 7. Column H, we already have 3, so 3 can't come in the cell, 3 is confirmed here, then 7 is here. Column H, we have 7, so 7 can't come in the cell, 7 is confirmed here, then 4 is here. 2nd row, only one number is remaining, 7, 7 is confirmed here. Since 7 is here, so 7 can't come in the cell, 7 is confirmed here, then 1 is here. 3rd row, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 4. Column D, we already have 1, so 1 can't come in the cell, 1 is confirmed here, then 4 is here. Column H, we have 4, so 4 can't come in the cell, 4 is confirmed here, then 1 is here. Column F, only one number is remaining, 1 is confirmed here. 9th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 8. Column H, we have 4, so 4 can't come in the cell, 4 is confirmed here, then 8 is here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share this video. Thank you very much.